The Redmi 14C and the Tecno Spark 30C are pretty much the best devices under 150,000 naira currently in the market right now. But that's not the main catch. Since they both rock similar specifications and also differences in some aspects, you would actually want to know which is better, right? So in this video, we'll be comparing both devices in terms of specs and features to see which is more better and also which is the best value for your money. So without wasting much of your time, let's vibe on. Hey, what's up guys, it's Chancellor there and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, we'll be comparing the Redmi 14C and the Tecno Spark 30C. Yeah, so let's quickly start off with the design of both devices. The Redmi 14C and the Tecno Spark 30C comes with nice build quality and design. They both have same circular or round camera setup on the rear, which is pretty innovative. Though we see similar designs on devices like the itel RS4, Redmi A3 and others, but the design seems like a design that will trend this year or early next year. Well, the designs are pretty nice. I have color options to opt from. With less than 150,000 naira, you're getting similar displays from both devices, though the Redmi 14C has a slightly bigger display than the Tecno Spark 30C. So the Redmi 14C sports an IPS LCD 6.8-inch 720 pixel display that refreshes at 120 Hz. While on the other hand, we have the Tecno Spark 30C that comes with 6.67-inch IPS LCD 720 pixel display that also refreshes at 120 Hz. Gone on the days when modern smartphones like this do come with 60 Hz refresh rate, but right now 120 Hz refresh rate are pretty decent, and also it helps the smartphone to be smooth and fast, although smartphone smoothness can also be determined by their processor. So both phone displays are pretty similar except of the wider screen you are getting on the Redmi 14C. Like I said earlier, viewing content on the Redmi 14C or on the Tecno Spark 30C are pretty cool, and you are likely to get similar results on both devices. But one thing that would want me to pick the Spark 30C display over the Redmi 14C is the punch hole cutout. The punch hole cutout on the Tecno Spark 30C gives it a special vibe, and I wish Redmi did the same on the Redmi 14C. Both smartphones comes with Android 14 out from their box, with the Redmi 14C being based on HyperOS, which doesn't look like the full version of the HyperOS. I mean, there is no sidebar, no floating windows or split screen, which is pretty annoying. Well, on the other hand, we have the Tecno Spark 30C, which is based on the latest HiOS. In as much as these devices are budget and we shouldn't be expecting much, to be honest, I'm a fan of the HyperOS software customization, but this time around, I'm not impressed. Performance are pretty decent on both devices, as you are likely to get similar results due to their processor. Well, the Redmi 14C powers the MediaTek Helio G81 Ultra octa-core processor, which is pretty much a new chipset and probably better than its predecessor due to the 120 Hz refresh rate that is attached to it. On the other hand, we have the Helio G81 chipset on the Tecno Spark 30C. So you might be wondering, what's really the difference between both chipsets? Well, nothing much. They are similar in overall performance and they can handle daily stuff. These devices are really budget and they can really offer the best quality when it comes to gaming. You just have to play your games in low graphics settings to experience smooth performance while you're gaming. Still like that, both devices are really good and they can handle your daily tasks pretty well. On the camera aspect, we have 50 megapixel camera from both phones, while we have 30 megapixel selfie camera on the Redmi 14C and 8 megapixel selfie camera on the Tecno Spark 30C. Image quality will be similar since they both adapt 50 megapixel camera, but the Redmi 14C will take more clearer photo from its selfie camera. Now you're getting a bigger battery life on the Redmi 14C than the Tecno Spark 30C because it comes with 5160 mAh big battery, which is a bit bigger than the 5000 mAh on the Tecno Spark 30C. The Redmi 14C supports 18 watts fast charge, while it came with a 3 watts charging brick in the box. On the other hand, we have the Tecno Spark 30C that also supports 18 watts fast charge. Well, you are getting more advantage on the Redmi 14C since it comes with bigger battery life and also it charges up real quick than the Tecno Spark 30C. So to purchase the Redmi 14C will cost you 132,000 naira for the 4GB variant, while it is going to cost you 135,000 naira to purchase the Tecno Spark 30C. Yeah, both phones are really the same, and you can tell that they have a lot of similarities than differences. Well, if I am to pick between the smartphones, I would choose the Tecno Spark 30C, and that is because of the punch-hole display and also the HIOS system or software customization. Yeah, that is actually my thoughts, but let me know in the comment section which of them will you choose and why. Anyways, here comes the end of my comparison video between the Redmi 14C and the Tecno Spark 30C. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section on what you think about both devices. Please don't forget to subscribe and also turn on your notification bell to always get notified whenever we drop a new video on the channel. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Peace.